Welcome back to another Retro McFinder video. Today we're doing the nighttime show. Well, this is going to be a mini series of the different unique Happy Meal bags and boxes throughout the nighttime show. That's why it's like this with the shadowing and the way the lighting is. It's because I'm going to make the nighttime show since it is dark where I'm at. Today we're talking about the Nature Watch Happy Meal. It is the one all about nature. It even tells you a fun fact and even stuff to do. So let me actually grab this really quickly. So yeah, it's all about Ronald McDonald is on a nature hunt. Help him find the 6 things on his list. And then you look for a bird eggs and everything else. I'm not sure if it's all on the same page, but at least you can see some of it. Some fun facts, some extra stuff, even Ronald McDonald. If you look at it very closely, you can see made in 1991. Still in its original package. What makes this so cool is this part. Who remembers the Toys R Us stickers? With a Super Soaker 500 from 1991. Save up to $80, which back then was a lot of money. You see a bumblebee. We're not going to look at the entire picture from the back of here, but I am going to do something really quickly. Give me a second. Thank you. Now watch this. This has never been opened until this video, so give me a minute while I open it. You can tell by the coupons, and I think it shows the expiration date. They expired 6/30 of 92. Damn, they expired. You can even see it, the football monster truck, the baseball bat, those. You even got the you swinging into action. The savings are on us. Like, I'm pretty sure this was around Christmas time, because damn, what a deal. I'm not joking, you. Fresh creases and everything. Oh, this is so cool in the collection. Oh, you can just tell where the stickers are. And look, you could have got roller skates for ages 1, 2, and 3. More child stuff, but still just as badass. Who remembers having that as a kid? Now that would have been fun. But it was too, so hell yeah. You even got the... Oh, wow. I have no clue, any surprise. Wow. Ooh, such a cool car. Barbie dolls. For the girly girls. Yeah, let me peel to the very last. Oop, still got lots of pages to go. Oh, this is such a fun one. Wow, you could have gotten a lot of stuff. Saved $1, saved $1.50, saved $2. Oh, then you gotta look at even cooler Barbies. Maybe not all Barbies. Wow. Wow. Now this is retro. One more look-see. Still expires 6/30/26. Sorry, 96. Wow. Now that's some baby stuff right there. Wow. Just how retro and cool this is. Oh, I'm so glad I have one of these. Oh, perfect for the retro collection. It even has Mickey Mouse from the 80s, from the 90s, sorry. From the 90s! How cool, dinosaurs and even little baby dolls. Made for kids. Oh, now that's badass. Oop, oop, almost skipped a page. No, no, no. Gotta go through every page. Wow, now that's cool. A baby swing. I think it even blows bubble mower. Now that would be cool. I'm 20 years old and I still love this kind of shit. So I'm so happy. Wow, from the 80s. All the cool bikes. If you remember any of these, wow. Now that's a video. Wow. You can even tell because each one of these are like different, slightly different colors with the green. Oh, 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 sticky. Don't want to ruin it. It's in perfect condition. Oh! A supercar! Now that's a supercar. Any purchase of 25 or more at Kids R Us. Wow. Now that's cool. Nope. Can't show you the very last page because it's starting to peel right there, but that's the end of it. Wow. Now that's ancient. Especially with the first one, the Super Soaker! Hope you liked the video. Something definitely unique and cool. Show the back one more time. Wow, now that's retro. Please like and subscribe because more stuff like this will be coming out of rare and rare retro stuff that you would never even known existed. Stuff that you would never even expect. Like, here's a little sneak peek and a little preview that I'm going to show you really quickly. McDonald's bowling ball in its original package. That will be the next video, which we will do in a few days. So I hope you like and subscribe and stay tuned because you got even cooler and retroer stuff on Retro McFinders.